everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some new lash sets, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So these are by the brand Beetles. They actually reached out to me to review some of their lashes. I did get 3 different sets. You have this one right here, which is Zero Gravity Collection. That is what they look like. Super pretty. Then I have this one right here, which is the Essential Collection. And then you have this one right here, which is the Animal Magic. So pretty nice lashes. I like how these are like bigger strips. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. You can see like you only have to put 3 on. It does come with the tweezers, but these kits do not come with any glue. Normally lash companies will send me the glue. They did not, so I'm just going to use my favorite glue, which is the Lynx glue, but they also have a clayless one that you can get off Amazon that works really well as well. This one and that one are my favorites, and I think they're pretty much the same price, so whichever one you want to try, you can go ahead and do that, because these are both good, and your lashes will last up to 2 weeks with this glue, so it's pretty good. So let's go ahead. I'm trying to think of which ones I want to wear today. I will be reviewing all of these on my channel, so if you want to see those, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be posting all those videos. This week's going to be my birthday week, which I'll probably definitely wear these ones for that. But I'll probably have to replace them because my birthday's not till next Wednesday. Today's Thursday, so I'll probably change them before then because I'm going to be swimming and stuff. These right here are going to be like more straight, so those are going to look really natural. I kind of really like a wispy lash, which these are kind of wispy. I think I'm going to go with this set right here on the animal one. This one. It's at the corner right here. So I think I'm going to go with this set. These are like really, they're not going to be very bold. This is going to be very natural looking. So if you're wanting something more bold, you'll probably want to go with another one. I'm looking for just something natural for today. If you're wanting like something that's like more like date night or just kind of glam, you're going to go with, you're going to want to go with the Zero Gravity Collection, because these are 100% glam, date night style. Like, these are so pretty. This is normally like what I gravitate when wearing a lash, because I like it to look more bold personally. And the curls on these look really good. So normally you do want to curl your lashes. I don't have a lash curler because I never curl my lashes. My lashes got a pretty good curl to them already, so it's not necessary for me. But if you do have lashes that kind of come down, you want to make sure you curl them before applying false lashes. But let's go ahead and get into this. So I'm going to start off with this side. And all I do is I get the glue and you kind of just push it at the base of your lashes like that. You don't have to brush it all the way through. Just kind of push it towards the base. Just like that. Then, like I said, the lashes do come with these tweezers. So you can see it has like a little guide liner. You have your inner corner, outer corner, and this is going to be for your middle. And it tells you right side and left side. So this is going to be my left side. So I'm going to start off with the big one. And to take them off, you're just going to grab it. Let me kind of show you like this. So you're going to grab it from underneath here and just pull up. And then to make them last a little longer, I like to get the glue. And I'm going to put it on the top side. Since we're gluing them from underneath, just put the glue right there. And that's just going to allow them to really get a lot of glue on them so that they last a lot longer. So you're going to look down and just place them. Just like that. That's how easy they are to apply. So just like that. And now we're going to go in with the last little set. So this is a great set if you're a beginner and you don't know how to really apply them, because you're only applying 3. You're not having to put so many lashes on. It's going to make it a lot easier for someone that's just starting out. Okay, last one. So that's what they look like so far. And then I'm just going to take the tweezers, and you want to go behind it. Be very careful because these are like quite sharp. And you're going to press them onto your natural lashes. And that's really going to help with the longevity of them. Okay, and that is what it looks like all complete. And you can see this is going to be the top side of them. Like what it looks like. It's going to be a lot more natural. I think I did get some glue right here. And you can easily remove that just by doing that. So you can see this is before, this is after. There is a major difference. Let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like with both eyes completed. Okay, so that is what it looks like with both eyes completed. This is a beautiful set. So this set right here is considered sweet and charming like little animals is what it says. It is actually just that, very like lightweight. These are going to be more like versatile. I think a lot more people are going to like this style rather than like a more bold lash. Personally, I like a more bold lash, but I'm not your average person. I love makeup and just trying new things and just things that are more bold. But I do have a lot of friends that have actually done their lashes and they prefer stuff like this. It's going to look more natural. And because the clusters are more like large, it's a lot easier to apply than your natural like lash clusters because they are smaller. They're a little more tedious. Now I do like the way that both types look personally. I like to be able to stack and stuff as well, which you cannot do with these. Like you could probably stack like 2 of these sets if you really wanted to, but it's going to cost a lot more money to do that rather than if you were to buy like other lash sets. You can easily stack those a lot easier. So it just depends on preference. Definitely, like I said, really nice set, and I will be reviewing the rest on my channel, so stay tuned for those videos if you want to check those out. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.